Kelsey Mansray with EXP Realty. I'm here in the Fairway subdivision and here showing this house. This property is located off of Houston Levee Road in Collierville, Tennessee, and is actually listed for about $800,000. So it's a lovely home, and there are 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, with a 3-car garage. The square footage is between 4,500 and 5,000, and it's a very lovely home with lots of space for entertaining. There's a possible theater room, fitness room upstairs. There's also a work room if you work from home remotely, and there's also a study room slash workroom too downstairs if preferred, with double doors. The backyard is lovely. It's a tranquil space, and there's just a lot of opportunity to enjoy this house. So I hope you enjoy the tour. If you have any questions, reach out to me. My name is Kelsey Mansray. I'm with EXP Realty. So from the entryway point to your right could be a study, sitting room, or office. Nice flex space with the double doors. Here. The plantation shutters. Walk into the master bedroom, into the master bathroom with separate his and her sinks and mirrors. And then in the center here you see the nice tub, and there's a walk-in shower here and a super size closet. Just a woman's dream with an area for powdering. So also a mini powder room too. So lots and lots of space. Three-car garage. The master suite is over that way.
Okay. So here's the pantry. So you just walk out here. And the kitchen across the hall. Pantry. And it's definitely smaller. It's not bad.
So we walk down the hallway and we're actually close to the entryway where we saw the other double doors to a flex space for an office sitting room or just relaxation room, tea room. And then we move forward back into the hallway. There's another flex space. So this could be another office if you work from home. There's also a full bathroom here. This could also be a guest bedroom or a child's room. You see there's closet space there. Or it could also be considered as a master suite if desired. You know, for your guests who may come from out of town or relatives, they have their space on the other side of the house. So directly up the steps, you turn right and there's a theater room. So this is a really nice flex space. This can be a theater room, a fitness area, play area, whatever your heart desires. This is a wonderful room to enjoy. It's really great for entertaining. This can be a man cave, multimedia room. And then there's plenty of space and there's plenty of closet space and shelving also there. And a mini bar area for also entertaining. So it's a great addition to the room. Walking further down to the right, we see an additional room, perfect for a child or space where they can sit and enjoy this nook here. And here's a full bathroom. And closet space. Back downstairs in the kitchen from the steps, you see to your left there's the den area or additional sitting room, dining room, more so a den probably, but you can make it your own. Of course, you see the dining area. Now we're going to walk outdoors to the patio. Lovely space here just to relax, and then you see the fireplace there, and there's minimal lawn maintenance needed, but it's a nice space for children to enjoy and for their pets to play with. And then there's also trees that provides additional privacy beyond the brick fencing here. So this is a very serene backyard space. And it's nice just to be able to sit back here, even when it's raining, and enjoy nature from your backyard.